Undermount sinks are becoming increasingly popular, but the cabinet needs additional strengthening and support when positioning the sink. The Trend pocket hole system is the perfect solution to add the correct strengthening and support within the cabinet. Mark up the front and back stretcher rails and cut to length with the mitre saw. Check the thickness of the stock using the built-in gauge and set the correct drilling length to match the timber thickness. Then adjust the jig to the correct index position to correspond to the timber thickness. Clamp the jig to the workpiece, ensuring the hook engages to the end of the material. Then drill the pockets, withdrawing the drill occasionally to help remove waste. Insert the screws into the pockets and fix both rails into place. Adjusting the jig to suit the material thickness ensures the screws break through centrally for maximum joint strength. The rails are set just below the top of the unit to allow for the thickness of the sink so that it sits flush. Drop the sink onto the rails and measure and mark the final fitting position. Then measure, cut and drill the 2 additional support rails. Then fit the rails to the marks to constrain and support the sink. Trend pocket hole jigs for fast and accurate joining of timber and plywood, giving strong and instant joints.